Welcome back, dear friends. Today we are create something simple, natural, and deeply meaningful. A pinecone wreath for Christmas. But along with crafting, we will also follow a story of memories, family, and the magic that small things carry. So make yourself cozy, light a candle maybe, and let's begin. Imagine a quiet winter evening, snow reciting softly outside, warm light glowing inside your home, the scent of pine, cinnamon, and something baking in the oven. This is the spirit of Christmas, not loud, not grand, but soft, warm, and full of heart. And today we bring the warmth into a wreath made from simple pine cones, something nature gave us freely. Long ago, in a small snow-covered village, there was an old woman named Alara. She lived alone in a teeny wooden cottage surrounded by tall evergreen trees. Every winter, just before Christmas, Alara would walk into the forest, gather print pines cones fallen under those tall trees. She would pick each one carefully, as if choosing a treasure. The children of the village always asked her, "Why these pine cones? They are so small, so ordinary." Alara would smile and say, "Because Christmas is not built from expensive things, it's built from love in ordinary things." And the children never forget those words. So let's begin crafting. And now we craft just as Lara did. You will need pine cones, different sizes, a wreath base, wooden foam or wire, hot glue gun, jeweled rope or ribbon, small decoration bells, berries, stars, cinnamon sticks, optional white acrylic paint for a snowy kissed effect. Open their petals gently if need, brush off dust. If you like a snowy look, dab the tip with white paint. Start placing the pine cone. Begin at the one part of the wreath and glue one pine cone at a time. Let them sit naturally, some upright, some tight. Don't rush. This wreath is made from patience and calmness. Layer and fill, place smaller pine cones in between larger ones to give fulfill and depth, just like creating harmony in life. Big moments and small moments together. And little decoration and berries, teeny ornaments, dried oranges sliced, cinnamon sticks, small star or bells. Each decoration tells a story. Choose the one that means something to you. Tie a ribbon or jewelry, add a bow at the bottom on top. This is the finishing touch, a symbol of connection, unity, and love. Your wreath is ready to hang. Back in the village, Clara made one wreath every winter, not to sell, not to show off, but to hang on her door, to remind herself of the memories she held. One year, the village faced a very cold winter. The window froze completely, and families stayed inside their homes to keep warm. But Lara walked through the snow and hung her pine-cone wreath on the door of every home in the village. She did not knock, she did not say her name, she simply shared a piece of warmth. In the morning, people opened the door and found the wreath, simple, small, natural pine cones, and suddenly their hearts felt full and lifted. The children remembered what she once said: Christmas is not built from expensive things, it's the built from love in ordinary things. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. Remember me in your prayers. Have a wonderful and great Christmas journey ahead. So thanks for watching my video till the end. God bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.